Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're tired of always having a bra strap showing but you want to have support, then check out the Teardrop Nipple Covers from the Nippies store. These are silicone, meaning they are very malleable and will adapt easily to your body, but on this side it is sticky. That is the side that's going to securely keep the cover attached. What I specifically really like about these covers is the fact that it's in the shape of a teardrop. That means that this part, normally you cover it, it just goes right here, but this part means that you can pull it up and that will secure everything up a little bit more and helps keep everything just a little bit more perky. Reusable, meaning that you can wash them. Unlike traditional covers, you can only use them once. It's a peel and go. These ones, they fit securely, but when you want to remove them, there's no pulling of the hair. And I always put one hand at the base and then this hand at the top, and then you're gonna pull it desired height that you want it. You always wanna like hold it down for at least 5 seconds, if not more. And I'll have one at the bottom, one at the top. And that way you can put it in the area that you want everything to go, depending on maybe the dress or the shirt that you're wearing. And then also these plastic covers that help keep the shape and help keep them clean so nothing gets stuck on them. Overall, these nippy covers help you stay free. You don't have to worry about any bra strap showing. And also they always make you feel secure, like everything is in place with a little bit of a perk, super comfortable and easy to reuse again and again. But that's just my point of view.